हरी मिर्च इंडिया में एक बहुत जरूरी फसल है। बहुत से लोगों को इसका तीखा स्वाद पसंद है और आप जानते हैं यह ऑलमोस्ट एवरी किचन यूजेस। हम इसे करी, चटनी और कई दूसरी डिशेज में डालते हैं जिससे इट बिकम्स वेरी पॉपुलर। द डिमांड फॉर ग्रीन चिलीज इन द मार्केट इज ऑलवेज हाई। जो किसान हरी मिर्च उगाते हैं दे कैन अर्न गुड इनकम। यह एक ऐसी फसल है जो हमारे खाने को फ्लेवर भी देती है और किसान की जेब में पैसा भी लाती है। It is an essential part of our daily meals and our agricultural economy. हरी मिर्च की पॉपुलैरिटी सिर्फ बड़े शहरों में ही नहीं है, but it is also very high in small towns and villages. Every household buys green chilies regularly. This continuous demand makes it a reliable crop for farmers. कुछ दूसरी फसलों के उलट जिनकी जरूरत सिर्फ त्योहारों के दौरान होती है, green chilies are needed every day. This continuous need ensures that farmers can easily sell their produce. ये कैश का लगातार फ्लो प्रोवाइड करती है, which is very helpful for small farmers to manage their expenses and support their families throughout the year. Growing green chilies can be a very profitable business for farmers. इस खेती को शुरू करने की इनिशियल कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, इसलिए कई छोटे किसान सिर्फ एक छोटे से जमीन के टुकड़े से शुरू कर सकते हैं। With good care and proper methods, the yield can be very high. ताजी हरी मिर्च का मार्केट प्राइस आमतौर पर स्टेबल और अच्छा होता है, which means that a farmer can estimate their income to some extent. उन लोगों के लिए जो एक नया एग्रीकल्चरल वेंचर शुरू करना चाहते हैं या अपनी फसलों में वैरायटी लाना चाहते हैं, green chili cultivation offers a great and easily accessible opportunity. This guide is designed for farmers who want to know about green chili cultivation. We will provide easy and understandable information. We will cover everything from choosing the right soil to selling the final crop in the market. हमारा गोल आपको हरी मिर्च सफलतापूर्वक उगाने में हेल्प करना है, and we want to see you earn good profit from your hard work. Following these easy steps, a new farmer can also start with confidence and get excellent results in their fields. Choosing the right type of soil is the first step for a healthy chili crop. Green chilies grow best in loamy soil with good drainage. इसका मतलब है कि मिट्टी में बहुत ज्यादा पानी नहीं रुकना चाहिए, because waterlogging can damage the roots of chili plants. The soil should also be rich in organic matter. आप अपनी मिट्टी को टेस्ट करके उसका pH level चेक कर सकते हैं, and a pH level between 6.5 to 7.5 is ideal for growing green chilies. Good soil provides the necessary nutrients for plants to become strong and produce a lot of chilies. Climate also plays a very important role. Green chilies need a warm and humid climate to grow well. Too much cold or frost can severely damage the plants. The ideal temperature for their growth is between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. उन्हें बहुत ज्यादा धूप की जरूरत होती है, and a place that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily is perfect. बहुत ज्यादा बारिश वाले एरियाज में it is important to ensure that there is a good drainage system in the field so that water does not accumulate around the plants. Choosing good quality seeds is very important for a successful harvest. Always buy seeds from a reliable shop or certified supplier. Many varieties of green chilies are available. Some are more spicy, while some are less pungent. Some varieties are more resistant to diseases. You should choose a variety that is popular in your local market and suitable for the climate of your region. अच्छे seeds में high germination rate होगा, जिसका मतलब है कि ज्यादा seeds healthy seedlings में उगेंगे, giving you a better start. Preparing the land before planting is the final step. You should plow the field 2 or 3 times. इससे मिट्टी ढीली और soft हो जाती है, which helps the roots of chili plants grow deeper. After plowing, level the field properly. आपको मिट्टी में अच्छी तरह से डिकम्पोज्ड गाय का गोबर या कंपोस्ट मिलाना चाहिए, because this organic manure makes the soil fertile. It provides the necessary nutrients to young plants that they will need. A well-prepared field provides the best possible environment for your crop to thrive and produce a bumper harvest. Proper irrigation is very important for green chili plants. They need water at the right time. You should water the plants immediately after transplanting the seedlings. After that, water every 7 to 10 days based on weather and soil type. During the hot summer months, you may need to water more frequently. बहुत ज्यादा पानी देने से बचें, क्योंकि खड़ा पानी रूट रॉट डिजीज का कारण बन सकता है. Drip irrigation is a very good method for chili cultivation because it saves water and delivers water directly to the plant's roots. Chili plants need food to grow and produce chilies. This food comes from fertilizer. You had already mixed organic manure while preparing the field, and this is the base dose. Later, you will need to add more fertilizer. After about 30 days of planting, you can add a mixture of nitrogen and potash. This is called top dressing. आप इस प्रोसेस को अगले 30 से 40 डेज के बाद फिर से दोहरा सकते हैं, especially during the flowering and fruit bearing stage. ये पक्का करता है कि पौधों के पास बड़ी संख्या में हेल्दी मिर्च पैदा करने के लिए पर्याप्त एनर्जी हो. Protecting your crop from pests and diseases is very important. Common pests that attack chili plants are aphids, thrips, and fruit borers. आप नीम ओनल स्प्रे को एक नेचुरल पेस्टिसाइड के रूप में यूज कर सकते हैं, which is a safe and effective way to control many pests. Common diseases include powdery mildew and leaf curl virus. To prevent diseases, ensure good air circulation around the plants. Do not plant them too close to each other. If you see any diseased plant, remove it immediately so that the disease does not spread to other healthy plants. Regular care and attention will keep your plants healthy. You should regularly remove weeds from the field. Weeds compete with your chili plants for water, sunlight, and nutrients. You can do this by hand or using a hoe. This process is called weeding. If the plants grow tall and become heavy with fruits, you should also provide them support. आप उन्हें सपोर्ट करने के लिए छोटी लकड़ी की स्टिक्स यूज कर सकते हैं. यह प्रैक्टिस, जिसे स्टैकिंग कहते हैं, ब्रांचेस को टूटने से रोकती है और मिर्च को जमीन से ऊपर रखती है, जो उन्हें सड़ने से बचाती है. Your green chilies will be ready for harvesting after about 70 to 80 days of transplanting the seedlings. You can start picking them when they are fully grown, firm, and bright green in color. Harvesting at the right time is important. यदि आप उन्हें बहुत जल्दी तोड़ते हैं, तो वे छोटी होंगी. If you wait too long, they may start turning red. Harvesting is usually done by hand, so be gentle when picking chilies from the plants. Make sure you do not damage the branches while picking the fruits. Harvesting is not a one-time event. You can pick green chilies multiple times from the same plant. Harvesting period 3 से 4 months तक चल सकता है, and you can usually harvest every 10 to 15 days. Regular picking पौधे को ज्यादा फूल और ज्यादा मिर्च पैदा करने के लिए इंकरेज करती है, which means you will have a continuous supply of fresh produce to sell in the market. एक अच्छी तरह से देखभाल किया गया पौधा आपको पूरे सीजन में बहुत अच्छी उपज दे सकता है, resulting in continuous income for several months. After harvesting, you will need to prepare the chilies for the market. Carefully sort them and remove any damaged, diseased, or discolored chilies. Grade them according to their size and quality. Good quality, uniform-sized chilies will fetch a better price in the market. Pack them in clean jute bags or bamboo baskets. Proper packing protects the chilies from damage during transport and also looks more attractive to buyers. अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन इस बात में बड़ा फर्क ला सकती है कि आप कितना पैसा कमाते हैं. Selling your crop is the final step. You can sell your green chilies in the local vegetable market, which is called mandi. Checking the market price before going is a good idea. Sometimes selling directly to hotels, restaurants, or vegetable vendors can get you a better price. छोटे किसान अपनी उपज को एक साथ बेचने के लिए एक ग्रुप भी बना सकते हैं, which gives them more bargaining power. Green chili cultivation can be very profitable. कम initial cost और high demand के साथ, it is a great choice for farmers to earn a good and continuous income from their land.